Hi guys, in this short video, I am going to tell you that how you can easily enable or disable fitness app in your iPhone. So that's quite simple, but before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have liked the video. Thank you. So first of all, you will have to open the settings app. Then click on screen time and scroll down, and when you find an option of content and privacy restriction, simply click on it. Now click on allowed apps. Now scroll down all the way until you find the fitness application. Now you will have to turn off the toggle next to the fitness app if you want to disable it. Now if you go back and if I go back to the app library, wait a second. Now if I go back to app library and I search for fitness, you can see there is no app, no fitness app in my phone. Now if I go back to settings and turn on the toggle on of fitness app and then go back. Now if I go to the apps library and search for fitness app, you can see the fitness app is here and I can easily open it. So that's how you can remove, enable or disable the fitness app in your iPhone. That was quite simple. So if you found the video helpful, make sure to like